We chase validation, sorry. Oftentimes we chase, and how many people are on Instagram? Let's be honest. How many people is when you pay something on Insta, how do you feel when you get like and love and share? How do you feel? Oh, you feel so good. How do you feel when you post something and people put a thumbs down or an angry emoji? We compare ourselves every day. Ooh, I saw Uncle Sonny driving around in a nice car. I'm going to go get me a nice car. We compare our lives to each other every day. We feel behind even when we're doing our best because it's always not good enough. When you're in Gen Z, people are always looking at you and you always feel to yourself, I'm never good enough to be like that. Because we are always comparing ourselves to what they say what good looks like. This is where it gets deep into us. But the Bible says that your identity has already been, we don't need to be validated by the world. Young people, we don't need validation from people out there to tell us that we look good, to tell us that we dress good, to tell us that we're smart, to tell us that we're special. Because my Bible says in Ephesians chapter 1, verses 4 and 5, He chose us in Him before the creation of the world to be holy and blameless in His sight. In love, He predestined us for adoption to sonship through Jesus Christ. We were already chosen by God. I want you to say this to yourself, I am His.